Jetlix 312 on the visual 26 left.
Jetlix 312, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land. You're following a King Air short final.
Clear to land, 26 left, Jetlix 312.
At 824, turn right at Alpha 6, taxi to signature via Alpha, remain this frequency.
6 Alpha signature, up 10, this. Tower, Learjet 305, descending out of 2500 on the left base of the visual 26 left.
At 305, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, cleared to land. You're following a Lear mile final.
To land 26 left, Spirit Jet 305.
Tower, StarTech 242, visual 26 left.
242, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
26 left, StarTech 242.
Startech 242, I may have inadvertently not marked it down, but for both of us, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
And 26 left, yeah, you said it, 242, clear to land. Can we get maybe a timed 180 here for Alpha?
242, make 180 on runway 26 left and exit at Alpha 5, taxi straight into parking, remain this frequency.
Thank you. Alpha coming to parking, remain with you, StarTech 242.
Tower, hello, Phenom 897 Juliet Hotel, visual 26 left.
897 Juliet Hotel, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, cleared to land, safe parking.
See you there.
Juliet Hotel, roger, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
26 left, 7 Hotel.
good afternoon. Phenom, Full Romeo, Sierra, approaching hold short takeoff.
Full Romeo Sierra, Spirit Tower, roger, waiting out for release. Full Romeo Sierra, multiple traffic operating in the north pattern, should be no factor for you. Fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear to takeoff.
Okay, yeah, we do have that traffic, all the traffic on the right. Clear for takeoff, 26 left, fly runway heading, Phenom, Full Romeo.
Roger, yeah, I was showing you tagged up twice, but that's resolved now. You can contact departure 126.5, safe flight.
Have a good one, we'll talk to you.
Tower Falcon, 4 Hotel Delta on the visual 26 left.
4 Hotel Delta, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, cleared to land, safe parking.
Land 26 left and we're going to Millionaire.
So Delta, turn right at Alpha 8, taxi Millionaire via Alpha, remain this frequency.
Tower, Bonanza, 3111 Whiskey, 4000 for 3.
3111 Whiskey, Spirit Tower, roger, safe parking. 31111 Whiskey, enter the left downwind for runway 26 left, and you can make a downwind extension as necessary. Runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, and 3111 Whiskey. Tower, Phenom 897 Juliet Hotel, we're number 126 left.
Phenom 897 Juliet Hotel, Spirit Tower, roger, waiting out for release. 897 Juliet Hotel, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading for now, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, 7 Juliet Hotel.
7 Juliet Hotel, sorry, maintain 2,500.
2,500 on the runway heading, 7 Juliet Hotel.
Runway heading, runway 26 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff, 26 left, jet line 12.
Thanks, 312, contact St. Louis, departure, safe flight.
Departure, Jelly 6